On September 19th, 2022, a large storm complex moved to the northeast.
And the following day brought severe thunderstorms with high damaging wind and small hail. And here it comes, the rain. There's lightning everywhere right now. It's kind of crazy. Rain is definitely coming down now. The lightning is just going crazy. Big lightning storm. Kind of exciting. Let's open the door quick. Yeah, I'm getting soaked.
Around 7:44 p.m., the real monster began to show its teeth.
Heavy ass rain right now. Holy shit. Open the door real quick. Oh, quite insane. It appears there is a hail core moving right towards us, so that's not good either. More just heavy downpour right now. It's not like the wind is picking up yet. There is another storm coming behind us. Okay, like the way I'm pointing.
So what you can see here is about to be on top of us, and I don't really want to be out there in that because that's really dangerous, and there's hail core and all that. And the rain just picked back up. I'll show you. But just to show you, the wind is picking up. It is pouring rain outside right now. Holy, the wind! Oh my God, the wind is going crazy. Yeah, not him. GoPro. All right, we made it to the end of the video. Subscribe or no cookie.